This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Look at the talent of these creators in TikTok, as they easily collect hundreds of thousands or even millions of views of their short videos, which take only 5 minutes to create. Now imagine that you're able to create 500 similar videos in just 20 minutes from the comfort of your home, and more importantly, successfully monetize your social media accounts. In this video, I will give you a detailed overview of how such viral short videos can be created en masse. To achieve this ambitious goal, we will rely on 2 advanced tools based on artificial intelligence. These tools will allow you to create unique short messages and fully automate the entire process. Our first tool, GPT Chat, has been carefully configured to ensure that it is accessible to everyone, regardless of the level of experience. Open the GPT Chat and enter the query. Create 50 sets of facts for me. The facts should be structured similarly to the examples below and divided into 3 columns in the table: topic, part 1, and part 2. Ensure that the facts are not duplicated and cover a variety of topics, including psychology and relationships, to make them not only fascinating but also contrasting. To optimize your time more effectively, we suggest paying attention to the platform canva.com. If you already have a free account, log in and then type Instagram Reels in the search bar on the homepage. Select the Instagram Reel template and create a new blank template ready for the automated video creation process. To do this, you need to make several settings, and I will tell you in detail how to do it. For a deeper dive into the topic of creating visual content and carrying out a more detailed review of the process, it is strongly recommended to consider in detail the stages of implementing a video phone. Let's expand each stage. Start by opening the menu by activating the application button, which is conveniently located in the lower left corner. To select a video phone more accurately, use the convenient search bar or scroll down the menu, entering keywords such as beach or luxury in order to find videos with a soothing background. You need to choose a video that will be well suited for the video. It should attract viewers. After careful selection of the video, ensure a harmonious combination of its atmosphere with the main text to prevent distraction of the viewer's attention. Apply the video as a background, carefully scaling it to the edges of the editing window. Let's move on to creating a text overlay. The optimal video duration is approximately 7 seconds, given that longer videos may be less effective on shorter platform formats. Drag the video down to the 7-second mark and get rid of background sounds or music by carefully adjusting the volume in edit mode. Now let's move on to adding a text element to the video before integrating it with the data to automatically create a video. Go to the text section where you can insert a title and select a text style. The text will be automatically embedded in the canvas. Replace the current text with a thematically appropriate one and move it to the desired location. To edit the text, double-click on it, highlight it, and change the color to white, creating the desired visualization effect and visual appeal of the content. To create a video selection of text, select the appropriate background using a variety of effects and set the background color to black if it is not selected by default. If there is no standard black background, scroll down and select the appropriate option. To create a copy of the text you are going to use, select it and run the duplicate command. Move this copy of the text below the original, thus forming our part 1. Make the necessary changes to the text by inserting part 1 inch in the appropriate field. To remove the background, select the Effects and None options, however. To increase the readability of the text, it is recommended to add an outline. Set the color black and increase the contour thickness to 75 95 at your discretion. This stage is optional and depends on your preferences. Now let's start creating the text for part 2. Simply duplicate the text of the first part by highlighting it and selecting the duplicate option. Place it a little lower, ensuring automation of the process. Align the text with the purple outline of the video to avoid going out of bounds. Change the time when the text appears by right-clicking on the first part and selecting the Show Time option. With respect to your request, I suggest you take a close look at the need to activate the timeline located at the bottom of the screen in order to adjust the display interval of each text segment in more detail when forming a 7-second video. It is particularly important to determine the optimal duration of the first part of the content, giving it a significant amount of time in the video, while the second part can be presented more briefly. This strategy is aimed at maintaining the interest of viewers and stimulating their repeat viewing, which will eventually raise the overall viewing frequency and engagement level. Now it's time to integrate text with data. Start by copying the video footage and then return to the GPT chat to insert the necessary data. After that, go to Canva, where you will have to enter the data manually. Insert the first and second parts of the text, make edits to the text and background, taking into account the overall visual style of the video. It is important to ensure that the text looks aesthetically pleasing in the context of the video, ensuring harmony and consistency with the video material. When the whole process is completed, you can easily export the video by activating the share function in the upper right corner. At the same time, do not forget to select the download option as separate files to ensure the convenience of subsequent work with each segment. This method will provide you with individual files for each part of the video, which will simplify subsequent uploading and editing. Now let's take a closer look at the final result of the work done, evaluate its effectiveness, and prepare for the improvement of future projects. This way, you will be able to produce video content. It may take some time at first, but over time the process will become more efficient and take less time. Pay attention to improving the quality of your videos and publish content regularly to attract more attention and get an increase in the number of views on your channel. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.